procession in honor of the patron, Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine, the patron of Cagayan de Oro.
That's the Higalaay Festival, Cagayan de Oro of Mindanao, where culture, tradition,
and the modernity unite
to create something magnificent. Colorful costume parade, street dance competition based on 9 steps, beauty contest, Miss Higalaay. Dragon boat races, lumba sa dragon boat, lumba sa bakunawa.
on the Cagayan de Oro River. Kumbira, the culinary competition. Fiesta sa Kaumahan, the traditional harvest festival.
That's the Higalaay Festival, Cagayan de Oro,
Mindanao,
where culture, tradition,
and the modernity unite
to create something
magnificent. Sa kalipay ug gugma atong ipakita.
Higalaay sa CDO, magkahiusa ka.
Higalaay, Higalaay, kanta ta, sayaw ta.
Walay kabalaka.
Higalaay, Higalaay, Cagayan de Oro atong ipagawas ang kalipay. Higalaay, Higalaay,
Higala sa kasing-kasing,
hangtod sa hangtod.
CDO, CDO,
Siyudad sa Panaghigalay.
atong isingye.
Higalaay, friendship, indigenous heritage, Catholic faith and hospitality.
Culture
Meets modern activities, live band, street dance competition, beauty competition, sport activities.
that all makes everyone excited.
Higalaay, Higalaay,
The festival of Cagayan de Oro